first.
But I wanted to.
But I'm not ready to share yet.
Well, when are you going to be ready to share?
I don't know.
Oh, I really want to play with it.
Well, I'm not going to be your friend, Jean, if you don't let me have it back.
Amy, that's not very nice.
Girls?
I will promise to give it.
Girls, I see that we have some behavior that's a little hurtful. Is there a willingness from both of you to go back in time and let's redo this? We need to fix this problem. Amy?
I guess.
Jean?
I guess we are really good friends.
Okay, let's go back in time. I'm going to take the giraffe and let's roll back those hands, roll them back, and let's go over to the time machine, girls. Because our goal in the time machine is taking hurtful behavior and making it helpful. So girls, you're 6 feet apart. You can take off your mask. And first of all, are you willing?
I am.
willing.
Yes,
Okay.
Jean, I'm willing.
Awesome.
I am
So we are ready to take a step on that time machine. And now we're going to take our star breath. Everybody take a deep breath. All right, relax, let it out. That's the stop, smile, take a deep breath and relax. All right, let's take a step forward. Now we're going to wish each other well. Jean?
I wish you well, Amy.
Amy?
I wish you well too, Jean. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
All right, let's take one step. Take one more step. You're going to put your mask back on because we're at less than 6 feet. 1, 2, 3.
Let's do it.
All right,
Yay.
Jean.
Well, I just wanted to say I didn't like it when you had the giraffe all that time because I just wanted to play with it too.
Okay, I can do that, Jean. I'll try to share better next time.
That's so great. Thank you, Amy.
You're welcome, buddy.
That's
Sorry I said I wouldn't be your friend. I didn't mean it.
That's right. Wow, that's excellent, girls. You turned a hurtful situation into a helpful situation, and you did it. Good job. Air elbows, air high fives. You got this. Now, for parents and teachers that may not have the space for the big, large time machine, we have a little miniature time machine that we use our fingers. So Jean and Amy, you want to demonstrate? We're going to do exactly the same steps. Our willingness, then we're going to do our let's take a star breath. And then we're going to move into the 1, 2, 3, let's do it. And then we're going to use our words to problem solve. And that is one other way. And then we also have yet another way. This is the time machine on a paint stir. Okay. So those of you that have children that maybe are not ready to read the language, they might be a little younger, 4 years old, we're going to show them the picture sides. That'll be their remembrance of what the steps are. And then on the other side, Miss Jean, if you flip it, you can see the verbiage is there to remind us and the older children what to do. So this is our time machine, and I hope it is helpful to you in your teaching of the skill of problem solving with your children. Have a good day. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.